Welcome to today's cryptocurrency news. Cryptocurrency prices today.
The current price of Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, and BNB to USDT is up from yesterday, with BTC increasing by -1.30% and ETH increasing by 0.22% and BNB increasing by -0.27%.
Latest news.
South Korean traders show increased interest in AI-linked digital assets. AI tokens surge in popularity among South Korean traders, with South Korea's share of global trading volumes up from 0.6% to 18.7% in May. According to data from Keiko, South Korea's share of global trading volumes for AI tokens surged to 18.7% in May, up from a mere 0.6% in mid-2023. These tokens are often launched by early-stage projects that aim to leverage blockchain technology for AI services, although the effectiveness of this combination is yet to be proven. Research shows a growing fascination with both AI and cryptocurrency among South Koreans, with approximately 10% of the population investing in digital assets. Data from the Korea Securities Depository shows that weekly trading volumes for AI tokens have averaged $8 billion since February, a significant increase from the all-time low of $300 million in mid-2023. AI tokens such as Fetch AI, SingularityNet, Akash Network, and Render have more than doubled in value since the beginning of 2024. However, there are skeptics who question the sustainability of interest in AI-linked crypto projects. The digital asset sector is infamous for its volatile booms and busts, often tied to popular memes or social trends. Despite Nvidia being viewed as a solid investment for exposure to the AI sector, analysts at Keiko have expressed uncertainty about the investment proposition of AI-affiliated tokens. Tether invests $100 million in Bitdeer to expand crypto mining operations. Tether's investment in Bitdeer increases by $100 million, bringing its Bitcoin mining presence to $670 million. Bloomberg reports that Tether, the issuer of the world's most used cryptocurrency USDT, has invested $100 million in Bitdeer, a major public crypto miner. The investment was made through a private placement of 18.6 million Class ordinary shares, as announced by Bitdeer. The agreement also includes a warrant to purchase up to 5 million additional shares at $10 per share. The funds raised will be used to expand Bitdeer's data center operations, develop ASIC-based crypto mining equipment, and for other general corporate purposes. However, the companies have not disclosed what percentage of Bitdeer is now held by Tether under the agreement. This investment marks a significant move for Tether in its plan to become a major Bitcoin miner. The company, incorporated in the British Virgin Islands, began constructing its own mining facilities in Uruguay, Paraguay, and El Salvador last year. It had previously announced plans to spend $500 million within 6 months on this effort. Bitdeer, headquartered in Singapore, is one of the largest public crypto miners listed in the US, with a market capitalization of around $670 million. The company has data centers in the US, Norway, and Bhutan. Tether's investment in Bitdeer comes as the company continues to grow its presence in the Bitcoin mining industry. Following the announcement of Tether's investment, Bitdeer's shares, which had slumped more than 40% this year, rose about 6.5% to $6.20. Despite the recent gains, Bitcoin's price reached a record high in March, driven in part by optimism surrounding newly launched spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds in the US. Bitcoin traded up around 0.7% at $68,800 on Friday. Tether is committed to providing its customers with the highest level of security and transparency in its cryptocurrency offerings. The company is also working to increase its liquidity and stability in the global cryptocurrency market. For more information, please visit www.tether.com http://3w.tether.com. Linea supports StarkWare's denouncement of Meta Labs' trademark attempt. Linea, a Layer 2 network backed by consensus, supports StarkWare's statement against Meta Labs' trademarking of the term zero-knowledge (ZK) in 9 countries. Meta Labs, the entity behind ZK Sync, is trying to assert exclusive control over this foundational cryptographic concept, which has sparked outrage across the industry. StarkWare and other figures condemned Meta Labs' actions as an attempt to privatize a public good. Linea asserts that ZK technology is crucial for privacy and security in blockchain and that trademarking the term grants exclusive ownership over the technology. Polygon Labs' chief legal and policy officer questions the necessity of the trademark applications, suggesting that transparency would be essential. Meta Labs clarifies that the move aims to ensure the term ZK can be used freely in the context of their projects like ZK Sync and ZK Stack, using trademarks as the only available legal tool for such protection. Uniswap Foundation delays proposal upgrade vote. The Uniswap Foundation has postponed the vote on an upgrade proposal that would have provided rewards to Uni token holders who staked and delegated their tokens. The decision was made after a stakeholder raised a new issue related to the proposal that necessitates further scrutiny. The foundation emphasized the importance of thorough vetting due to the irreversible nature of the proposed upgrade. Uniswap's Uni token saw a decrease in value by 8.75% following the announcement of the vote's postponement. This story is still developing, and further updates will be provided as they become available. European Bitcoin ETPs face losses amid rising US competition. European Bitcoin exchange-traded products, ETPs, are experiencing significant losses this year due to increased competition from United States-based counterparts. According to CryptoPotato, Morningstar data reveals that European Bitcoin funds have seen over $500 million in net outflows since January, despite the growing demand for Bitcoin during the same period. ETPs for other cryptocurrencies like Ether have absorbed $42 million within the region, indicating a different trend but insufficient to offset Bitcoin-related losses. Pierre Debrew, head of quantitative research and multi-asset solutions at WisdomTree, told the Financial Times that client interest in European crypto ETPs has greatly increased since US Bitcoin ETFs were launched in January. However, this has also led to unprecedented competition, resulting in a new fee environment in Europe that has compelled European issuers to reduce their fees. Asset managers such as BlackRock and Fidelity, who manage the first and third largest Bitcoin ETFs, now offer 0.25% annual management fees, with additional temporary discounts for early investors. In response, European Bitcoin EP providers like Invesco, WisdomTree, and CoinShares have all lowered their previous fees from rates above 0.9% to below 0.4%. Funds that failed to reduce their management fee have not fared well. For instance, the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, GBTC, which charges a 1.5% fee to investors, has already lost over half of its Bitcoin since the US ETF approvals. It has been surpassed by BlackRock as the largest Bitcoin ETF despite starting with a lead of over 600,000 BTC. Similarly, Canada's Purpose Bitcoin ETF has lost 20% of its assets during that time after refusing to lower its 1% management fee. Despite this, Purpose remains the first and largest Bitcoin spot ETF outside the US. Last week, global Bitcoin spot ETFs surpassed 1 million BTC in total assets under management. Martijn Roosmuller, VanEck CEO in Europe, stated that the company's regional crypto ETFs have managed to secure small inflows, despite the rise in competition. Total potential market size considered, European crypto ETPs are still relatively larger than the spot Bitcoin ETFs in the US, he said. Trader exchanges 29 ETH for $129.6 billion PW, holding value of approximately $890,000. Cryptocurrency exchange PW experiences $112,000 worth of Ethereum in an hour, with current value of approximately $890,000. Trader has not sold any of the tokens yet. This transaction highlights the volatility and potential high returns in the cryptocurrency market, which continues to attract traders and investors worldwide. Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin comments on Luna criticism. Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin shared a tweet in 2022 about Luna, suggesting that much of the criticism towards the cryptocurrency seems to originate from the Ethereum camp. This has sparked discussions within the cryptocurrency community, but the specific reasons behind the perceived animosity remain unclear. Further details or comments from Buterin or other Ethereum representatives were not provided. Bitcoin, BTC, drops below 67,000 USDT with a narrow 2.35% decrease in 24 hours. Bitcoin falls below 67,000 USDT as trade volume slows down. On May 31, 2024, 16:07 p.m. UTC. According to Binance Market data, Bitcoin has dropped below 67,000 USDT and is now trading at 66,964.289,063 USDT, with a narrow 2.35% decrease in 24 hours. Stolen Bitcoins from Japanese exchange DMM Bitcoin distributed to 10 addresses. Japanese cryptocurrency exchange DMM Bitcoin stolen 4,502.8 Bitcoins transferred to 10 different addresses. According to O'Daily, BSN Alert, the stolen Bitcoins have been distributed to 10 different addresses. Authorities are likely to be investigating the theft and the subsequent distribution of the stolen Bitcoins. The US Bitcoin Spot ETF experienced a net inflow of $92.3 million on February 29. This is a short and simple verbal press release, and it may not be suitable for all situations. It is important to provide accurate and relevant information to your audience. Stable U.S. personal consumption expenditure inflation rate keeps Bitcoin price steady. The Bitcoin price remains relatively stable despite a steady inflation rate in the U.S. personal consumption expenditure (PCE). Data from the blog indicates that the Bitcoin price has risen by 0.7% in the past 24 hours. Further observation and analysis are required to confirm the potential correlation between the two economic indicators. The Bitcoin market is influenced by a variety of factors, including but not limited to PCE inflation rate. Arkham announces bounty after DMM Bitcoins reserves suffer $300 million hack. A Arkham cyber breach targeting DMM Bitcoins reserves has resulted in losses exceeding $300 million. The company has established a 1,000 ARKM tokens bounty program to track and identify the hackers behind the attack. The incident highlights the need for robust security measures in the digital currency sector and the urgency to bring the perpetrators to justice. The use of ARKM tokens as a reward underscores Arkham's commitment to leveraging its resources in the fight against cybercrime. Arbitrum proposes upgrade to ArbOS 30 Bianca, enabling MultiVM and Rust smart contracts. Arbitrum to upgrade Sepolia to ArbOS 30 Bianca for tenfold efficiency and interoperability. According to O'Daily, Arbitrum has initiated a temperature check proposal to upgrade its Sepolia platform to ArbOS 30 Bianca. This proposed upgrade includes Stylus and MultiVM, which will unlock 10 times cheaper computation and memory through Rust smart contracts, while maintaining full interoperability with the Ethereum Virtual Machine, EVM. The upgrade to ArbOS 30 Bianca is a significant development for Arbitrum, as it will allow for more efficient and cost-effective computation and memory usage. The use of Rust smart contracts will further enhance these capabilities, providing a tenfold reduction in costs. In addition to these improvements, the upgrade will ensure full interoperability with the EVM, which means that the upgraded system will be able to interact seamlessly with the EVM, further enhancing its functionality and usability. This development is expected to significantly improve the performance and efficiency of the Arbitrum platform, and will provide users with a more cost-effective and efficient way to execute smart contracts. For more information, please contact Arbitrum's support team. NYSE Group President acknowledges success and liquidity of Bitcoin ETF. The US Bitcoin spot ETF experienced a net inflow of $92.3 million on February 29, highlighting the growing recognition of cryptocurrencies in the global financial market. Lynn Martin, president of the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE Group, publicly acknowledged the success and liquidity brought about by Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, ETFs, in an interview with CNBC. Martin expressed her views on the impact of Bitcoin ETFs on the financial market. This acknowledgement from a high-ranking official in one of the world's leading stock exchanges underscores the growing influence of cryptocurrencies in the global financial market. The success of Bitcoin ETFs has been a topic of discussion among experts, and their impact on the market is undeniable.
Thank you for watching today.
Wishing you all a wealthy and profitable journey in the world of cryptocurrencies. May your investments grow and thrive, and may you always find the right opportunities to make your money work for you. Cheers!